to you all. These are youngsters from St. Augustine International School. We are going to say a poem. The poem. A child had dreams. She had in her mind that she would grow up and someday would find she would awaken one day. Her dreams come true. Who was that child? That child was you. And now you are grown up, a child no more. You close one behind and open a new door. Adult your future if found on your own. Dreams can come true. Your dreams will be known. The storybooks was read. The lessons you learned. Dreams don't just happen. Dreams must be earned. It's the path that you follow, that you choose to take. Choices you have, the decisions you make. New experiences await. They are waiting for you. Take one step at a time. That's what you do. Graduation is the day your dream has begun. A milestone in your life and a very good one.